Take a moment to check out the 2019 GMC Yukon. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This comfortable, capable three-row Yukon delivers spacious luxury and the rugged strength you need for bigger towing jobs. Tech-savvy, secure, and packed with creature comforts, your family will look forward to every excursion in this handsome SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, CD player, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes. Don't miss the chance to drive away in this striking Yukon. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.